Looking to make money online but don't want to spend a dime up front? You're the right place. Today we'll explore how you can leverage powerful free tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create content, build businesses, and generate income, all without any initial investment. Whether you're a beginner or looking to boost your side hustle, these tools make it easier than ever to turn your ideas into cash. Let's dive in and unlock your online earning potential. Today we will talk about how to make money online using free tools like ChatGPT and Canva. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Introduction to making money online with free tools. The digital age has unlocked endless possibilities for earning income online without significant upfront investment. Many people hesitate to start because they assume they need expensive software, professional skills, or a huge budget. However, free tools like ChatGPT and Canva have changed the game, enabling almost anyone to generate revenue from home. ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model, helps create compelling written content, automate responses, and provide creative ideas. Meanwhile, Canva offers a user-friendly platform for graphic design, helping non-designers craft professional visuals such as social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials. Together, these tools empower entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators to offer services or build products that attract paying clients. Whether you're interested in content creation, marketing, social media management, or digital product sales, leveraging ChatGPT and Canva can dramatically lower your barriers to entry, giving you a competitive edge with little to no upfront cost. 2. Understanding ChatGPT's role in online income generation. ChatGPT's power lies in its ability to generate high-quality, human-like text based on simple prompts. This capability makes it perfect for producing blog articles, marketing copy, social media content, scripts, emails, and much more. For freelancers, ChatGPT can streamline content creation, reducing the time spent brainstorming and drafting, while enhancing creativity and accuracy. Businesses and individuals often seek help with writing tasks but lack the resources or expertise to produce engaging content consistently. Offering ChatGPT-assisted writing services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to local businesses can become a lucrative venture. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist with idea generation for ebooks, courses, and newsletters, helping you create valuable products to sell online. Understanding how to prompt ChatGPT effectively, combining AI-generated content with your personal touch or niche expertise, ensures high-quality outputs that clients will value. 3. Exploring Canva's impact on visual content creation. Visual content is crucial in online marketing, social media engagement, and branding. Canva's free version offers an extensive library of templates, fonts, images, and design elements that simplify graphic design. Users can easily create eye-catching Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, business cards, flyers, and even ebooks. For individuals without formal design skills, Canva eliminates the need for complex software like Photoshop, making professional-grade design accessible to all. Those looking to monetize Canva skills can offer services such as social media management, custom graphics creation, branding kits, and marketing collateral design. Additionally, Canva designs can be packaged and sold as digital products on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Learning Canva's interface, exploring its advanced features, and understanding basic design principles will significantly enhance your ability to create appealing content that sells. 4. Combining ChatGPT and Canva for freelance services. One of the most effective ways to make money online is by combining ChatGPT's content creation with Canva's design capabilities to offer comprehensive freelance packages. For example, you can create blog posts, social media campaigns, email newsletters, or product descriptions with ChatGPT, then design corresponding visuals with Canva. This combination is particularly valuable for small businesses, startups, influencers, and coaches who require both compelling content and attractive design, but lack the budget for multiple specialists. By marketing yourself as a content and design freelancer, you tap into a broader client base and can charge premium rates. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to showcase combined portfolios, highlight your unique offering, and build a steady stream of projects. Establishing clear communication about revisions and delivery timelines ensures client satisfaction and repeat business. 5. Building digital products using ChatGPT and Canva. Beyond freelancing, creating and selling digital products is a scalable way to generate passive income online. ChatGPT can assist you in writing ebooks, guides, workbooks, course scripts, and newsletters, while Canva can be used to design eye-catching covers, layouts, worksheets, and promotional materials. Popular niches include self-help, business, marketing, health, and education. Digital products require initial effort, but can be sold repeatedly through your own website, social media channels, or marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable. By combining ChatGPT's writing speed with Canva's visual appeal, you can create polished products faster and with less technical difficulty. Marketing your products using social media and email campaigns, also aided by ChatGPT for content creation, further boosts your sales potential. 6. Monetizing social media using ChatGPT and Canva. Social media platforms are goldmines for online income, with opportunities ranging from influencer marketing to paid promotions and content creation. ChatGPT can help craft engaging captions, scripts for videos, and community responses, while Canva can produce branded graphics and story templates that grab attention. Whether you focus on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn, combining these tools allows you to maintain consistent, high-quality content output. Growing an audience leads to monetization options such as brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and direct product sales. Additionally, you can offer your services to other content creators or businesses, managing their social media presence with content and design packages. Using analytics tools alongside ChatGPT's data-driven insights helps optimize posts for better engagement and reach, ensuring you or your clients get the best ROI on social media efforts. 7. Using ChatGPT and Canva for online tutoring and coaching. The demand for online tutoring and coaching has surged, and digital tools enhance how you deliver value. ChatGPT can help draft lesson plans, course content, email sequences, and marketing materials, while Canva designs presentations, handouts, certificates, and promotional visuals. If you have expertise in areas like language learning, fitness, business skills, or creative arts, packaging your knowledge into visually appealing, well-written content elevates your credibility and appeal. Many tutors and coaches use Zoom, Google Meet, or course platforms to connect with clients, while ChatGPT helps automate communication and Canva improves presentation quality. 8. Strategies for marketing your services and products. Creating great content and visuals is just the first step. Marketing is essential to reach paying customers. Leveraging social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) are key strategies. ChatGPT aids in writing engaging posts, newsletters, ads, and SEO-friendly blog content, while Canva provides branded visuals for consistency across channels. Networking in online communities, participating in forums, and guest posting can also increase your visibility. Paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google can amplify reach if budget allows. Offering free samples, webinars, or lead magnets helps build trust and grow email lists. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.